Can we stop calling it a curly hair refresh whenever we have to re-wet our entire hair and reapply all of our products all over again? Might as well get in the shower and wash your hair. I'm going to show you how I refresh my curls, and it takes me less than 5 minutes and I don't end up with soaking wet hair, and I get rid of the frizzies. So this is how I do it. I'll get my holding products. My favorite holding product is a Curl Sculpting Custard. I wet my fingers and then I'll find the frizzy. I'll pinch some product between my fingers like this. Make sure my fingers are wet, and then I just smooth it on top. And sometimes I give it a little twirl. That way it stays together. And then I'll just do that in every section that I see that is frizzies. And I do it over again. And then I'll just let it air dry. And trust me, this will make sure your hair stays without having to re-wet it all over again. Simple as that. And if you want your hair to smell a little bit better, because now it's day 7, you're feeling like you might be stinky, just coat your fingers with this. This smells amazing. And just scrunch out everywhere. Now, your hair is going to smell great, is going to give it a little shine, and again, you don't end up with very wet hair. See, that took me a couple of minutes depending how bad the frizzies are, because remember, embracing curly hair is embracing frizzy hair. Frizz is volume. Just girl, love it, but I know sometimes we want it to be more defined, more tamed, so that's how you do it. Please meet me in the comments. I would love to see how long we can keep our curly hair without having to restyle it. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.